Hi friends, myself D.K. Narade, working as an assistant professor in Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur, Department of Chemistry, BSc 2 semester 3 and 4. Today we will discuss and going to discuss the chemistry practical inorganic chemistry experiment titrometric analysis experiment number 1 fertilizer analysis. Experiment number first fertilizer analysis. Aim of this experiment is to determine percentage of nitrogen in the given sample of nitrogenous fertilizer, that is N content. Sample is provided ammonium sulfate. Apparatus for this experiment required is burette, 10 ml pipette, conical flask, funnel, retort stand, sand bath, 100 ml volumetric flask. Chemical for this experiment require 1 normal NaOH, 0.1 normal HCl, methyl red indicator, fertilizer sample, that is ammonium sulfate, distilled water. Principle of this experiment is ammonium sulfate on boiling with known excess of standard alkali gives out ammonia quantitatively. Back titration is carried out for excess alkali with standard acid using methyl red indicator. The amount of alkali consumed corresponds to the ammonia gas evolved in the reaction, which is determined in the term of acid solution by performing blank titration. The blank minus back reading gives the amount of NaOH consumed or ammonia evolved and hence nitrogen in the given sample in term of standard acid. Hence percentage of nitrogen in the given sample can be calculated. The corresponding reaction are ammonium sulfate, then add sodium hydroxide in the ammonium, then ammonia is evolved, then form a sodium sulfate. Then this reaction with NaOH plus HCl to form a salt with the water, that is neutralization of reaction, acid base reaction. Procedure for the sample preparation of fertilizer: weigh out accurately 0.200 gram of the given fertilizer sample on watch glass using analytical balance, that is digital balance. Then this sample transfer the clean conical flask to 50 ml conical flask by using funnel. Wash the watch glass with little distilled water and transfer all the washing in the same flask. Dissolve the in minimum quantity of distilled water, about 25 ml or 1 test tube of distilled water. Then add conical flask, then add 10 ml of 1 normal NaOH solution to this flask by means of pipette. Add some porcelain pieces, put a funnel on conical flask with its downward and heat. Replug the flask on the sandbath till there is no evolution of ammonia. Tested by the turmeric paper, that is moist turmeric paper should not turn reddish brown. Add distilled water and shake well. After evolution of the ammonia, add distilled water and shake well occasionally if required. When the reaction is complete, cool the flask and transfer all the solution as well as washing of the flask to 100 ml volumetric flask and make the volume 100 ml up to mark with the distilled water and shake well. This is the sample preparation of the fertilizer analysis. Back titration: titrate 10 ml above diluted solution, that is the fertilizer sample diluted 100 ml volumetric flask, then pipette out 10 ml and titrate against the 0.1 normal SL from burette using methyl red indicator. Then the end point will be yellow to red. Take 3 reading and note down the constant burette reading, that is the CBR says XML or cm cube. Then blank titration without addition of without a sample of fertilizer. Dilute 10 ml 1 normal NaOH solution to 100 ml volumetric flask with distilled water in measuring flask and shake well. Pipette out this 1 normal NaOH solution. Titrate 10 ml of this diluted solution of 1 normal NaOH against the 0.1 normal SL solution from the burette using methyl red indicator. Then the end point of titration will be yellow to red. Take 3 reading and note down the constant burette reading, CBR says YML or cm cube. Before titration, after addition of indicator methyl red indicator, sample colorless to yellowish, and addition of 0.1 normal SCl, end point of titration is red color. Then addition of this 0.1 normal SCl to this flask 10 ml solution of fertilizer also, and simple blank titration NaOH also, colorless solution to red color. This is the after titration, this is yellow to red, end point is yellow to red color. Observation of this experiment, weight of watch glass is equal to W1 gram is equal to 18.130 gram. Second observation, weight of watch glass plus fertilizer sample W2 is equal to 18.130 plus 0.200 is equal to 18.330 gram. Third observation, weight of fertilizer sample is W2 minus W1 is equal to 0.200 gram. Back titration, observation, burette reading and CBR, final reading, initial reading and difference. First reading is 7.9, second reading is 7.8 and third reading is 7.9. Initial reading is 0 and then the difference between these final and initial is 7.9, 7.8 and 7.9, and constant burette reading is 7.9. Blank titration, observation, burette reading, CBR, final level, initial level, difference 9.8, 9.8, 9.9. The difference is the final and initial is 9.8, 9.8, 9.9 and constant burette reading is 9.8. Calculation of this experiment is the difference between blank and back, that is the Y minus X ml of the NaOH, amount of NaOH in term of 0.1 normal SL consumed or ammonia evolved by the given sample of fertilizer in 10 ml diluted solution. Total amount of NaOH in terms of 0.1 normal SL solution consumed by W gram, that is 0.200 gram, given quantity of fertilizer sample is equal to 10 into Y minus X, that is therefore 10 into 9.8 minus 7.9 is equal to 19 ml. Theoretical reaction relation, from the reaction given in the principle we can write 1 mole of ammonium sulfate is equal to 2 mole of sodium hydroxide is equal to 2 mole of HCl is equal to 1 mole of urea is equal to 2 mole of ammonia is equal to 1 mole of N2, that is 1 mole of HCl is equal to 1 mole of NaOH is equal to 1/2 mole of ammonium sulfate is equal to 1 into 1 mole of ammonia is equal to mole of N2, or 1000 ml of 1 normal HCl is equal to 66 gram of ammonium sulfate is equal to 17 gram of ammonia is equal to 14 gram of nitrogen. Now 1000 ml 1 normal HCl is equal to 14 gram of N2. 10 into y minus x ml into 0.1 normal HCl is equal to y minus x into 0.014 gram of N2 is equal to z gram. That is, therefore 1.9 into 0.014 is equal to 0.0266 gram of z gram of nitrogen. Now W gram of fertilizer sample is equal to z gram of N2, that is 0.0266 gram of N2 nitrogen. 100 gram of fertilizer sample into 100 into z gram upon the W, then is equal to 13.3 gram of N2, that is 13.3% of N2 in the fertilizer sample, that is M, that is percentage of N2. We can also calculate amount of ammonium sulfate in the sample. We have 1000 ml of 1 normal HCl is equal to 66 gram of ammonium sulfate, that is 10 into y minus x ml 0.1 normal HCl is equal to y minus x into 0.066 gram of ammonium sulfate is equal to N is equal to 1.9 into 0.066 is equal to 0.1254 gram of the ammonium persulfate. Percentage of ammonium persulfate in the sample is 1000 into 0.1254 gram divided by the W is equal to 0.200 is equal to 62.7% of ammonium sulfate in the sample of the fertilizer. Result of this experiment: first result is 10 ml of diluted fertilizer sample is required. Y minus x is equal to 1.9 ml of the 0.1 normal HCl solution. Second result, volume of HCl equivalent to 0.05 gram sample is equal to 7.9 ml. Third result, amount of nitrogen in the given sample is equal to z gram, that is therefore 0.0266 gram of nitrogen in given sample. Percentage of the nitrogen in the sample is equal to M is equal to 13.3% of nitrogen in the given sample. Fifth result, amount of ammonium sulfate in the sample is equal to N gram is equal to 0.1254 gram of the ammonium sulfate in the fertilizer sample. Sixth result is percentage of ammonium sulfate in the sample is equal to X, that is 62.7 gram percentage of the ammonium sulfate in the fertilizer sample. Thank you for listening and watching.